Hello friends, welcome to Indispensable English. Today we are going to see Prose Unit 7 Fair Play Book Back Exercises. First one, match the sentences under 1 with those under 2. That is, first a set of sentences are given under 1 and then a set of answers, that is to match it was given. So I will tell you the answers for it. Juman and Algu were the best of friends. In the absence of one, the other took care of his family. Juman's aunt transferred her property to him. The condition was that he would be responsible for her welfare. The aunt decided to appeal to the Panchayat. She wanted justice. Algu was unwilling to support the aunt. The bond of friendship between him and Juman was very strong. Next one, Juman was very happy to hear Algu's name as head punch. He believed that his friend would never go against him. So next one, who says this to whom and why? First I will read all the questions, then I will tell you the answers. First one, my wife knows best how to run the house. Next one, but is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? What you have to say in your defense? I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. Victory to the Panchayat. This is justice. Answer for the first one. Juman speaks these words to his aunt. He wanted to get rid of his aunt. He did not want to give her any allowance. The next one, the speaker is aunt. The old aunt says these words to Algu Chaudhary. Algu was unwilling to give his judgment against his best friend. Next, third one, Algu said these words to Juman when he occupied the seat of the head. He was keen to do justice. The fourth one is Sahu said this to Algu Chaudhary. Algu had sold his bullock to Samj Sahu. The bullock died because Sahu overworked and underfed the animal. When Algu demanded his money, Algu dishonestly refused to pay him a penny. The fifth one, very important one, Juman was the head. He could easily give his verdict against Algu, but the seat of punch made him fair and just. He asked Sahu to pay the money to Algu. At this, Algu shouted with joy and welcomed the fair judgment. It will be frequently asked question, very important. Next one, answer the following questions. Then the situation changed. What is being referred to? The situation changed after the transfer of property. Juman forgot his promise to look after his old aunt. He, as well as his wife, began to ill-treat her. Her refers to the aunt. Second one, when Juman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, what arrangement did she suggest? Juman's aunt could not bear insults anymore. She wanted to cook for her food separately. She demanded monthly allowance from her nephew. What was the village's reaction when the aunt explained her case to them? The old woman went to several villages to explain her case and get their support. But some showed sympathy and some laughed at her. A few advised her to make peace with Juman. Fourth one, why was Juman happy over Algu's nomination as head punch? Algu and Juman were fast friends, so Juman hoped to get the verdict in his favor. Naturally, he felt happy when the aunt named Algu to act as head punch. God lives in the heart of the punch. The ant said, what did she mean? The ant meant that a person in the seat of judge becomes fair and just like God. He is not guided by his personal likes and dislikes. He cannot do any justice. He is God's representative. It is also important question. What was Algu's verdict as head punch? How did Juman take it? Algu heard the case and gave a fair judgment. He asked Juman either to pay a monthly allowance to his aunt or transfer the property in her name. Juman was stunned. He became Algu's enemy. He decided to take revenge on Algu. Next one, Algu found himself in a tight spot. What was his problem? Algu sold his bullock to Samja Sagu, a caught man. Sahu promised to pay the price within a month, but during this period, he took so much work from the animal that it died. Sahu became dishonest. He refused to pay the money. Why was Algu upset over Juman's nomination as head punch? Algu was upset because Juman was already annoyed with him, so he thought Juman would take his revenge. What was Juman's verdict as head punch? How did Algu take it? This is also important one. Juman's verdict was that Sahu had to pay the price of bullock to Algu because when Sahu purchased the bullock from Algu, it was hale and healthy. This was a genuine decision. Algu took it happily and said it was a victory of the Panchayat. Which of the following sums up the story best? When we find out the answer for this, we can tell it is the message, it is the theme of this lesson. I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. The voice of the punch is the voice of God. Give a reason for your answer. I think the second statement sums up the story best. The person in the seat of judge becomes fair and just. Next one, working with language. Replace the italicized portion of each sentence below with a suitable phrase from the box. Make necessary changes wherever required. Look after, swallow, make it up, keep mum, go into, is one's conscience as ill luck would have it, a tight spot, take chances, my heart sank. Here the sentences are given with answers. The best way to avoid an unnecessary argument is to remain silent. Unfortunately, the train I was trying to catch was cancelled. He has been told not to take risks while driving a car through a crowded street. The patient needs to be properly taken care of. Why don't the two of you end your quarrel by shaking hands? I was in a difficult situation till my friends came to my rescue. When I saw a pile of dirty dishes, I felt very disappointed. I will examine the matter carefully before commenting on it. They criticized him in the meeting, but he accepted without protest all the criticism. It will free me from worry to know that I had done nothing wrong. The suitable answers are given in this. The best way to avoid an unnecessary argument is to keep mum. As ill luck would have it, the train I was trying to catch was cancelled. He has been told not to take chances while driving a car through a crowded street. The patient needs to be properly looked after. Why don't the two of you make it up by shaking hands? I was in a tight spot till my friends came to my rescue. When I saw a pile of dirty dishes, my heart sank. I will go into the matter carefully before commenting on it. They criticized him in the meeting, but he swallowed all the criticism. It will ease my conscience to know that I had done nothing wrong. Look at the following phrases and their meanings. Use the phrases to fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. Set up, put in a place or start. Set aside, save or keep for a particular purpose. Set down, write or record. Set out, start on a journey. Set in, begin and seem likely to continue. Why don't you dash your ideas on paper? A fund has been dashed for the soldiers' families. We should dash a little money every month. You should buy some woolens before winter. They dash on the last stage of the journey. For first one, answer is set down. Next one, set up. Third one, set aside. Fourth one, sets in. Last one, they set out on the last stage of their journey. Speaking and writing. So while we want to enhance our English language, we should develop our speaking and writing skill. For that purpose, this exercise has been given. Look at the following pictures. One asks a question, the other answers it. Then the answer is noted in a form as shown below. Let us see. Do you like to meet people? Yes, I do, but not always. I do have some close friends though. Kindly write it in the form. Let us see. Questions. Do you like to meet people? Yes, I do, but not always. Additional response. I do have some close friends though. Do you like the area you live in? No, I don't, but I have no choice. Work in small groups. Ask your partner the questions given below. If possible, ask him, her a reason for saying yes or no. Then tick yes or no, whichever is proper. So some questions are given. It is this exercise given to work in small groups and to ask your partner some questions, and if possible you can ask him the reason for saying the answer yes or no. So now let us see. Do you have a separate room for sleep and study? Would you prefer to live in a joint family? Do you get on with people? Do you like the area you live in? Do you find the place overcrowded? Do you use public transport? Would you like a vehicle of your own? Do you like reading? Would you like to be a teacher, doctor, engineer, or architect? You can do it yourself, but I have given my answers for it. Now that you have completed the above project, write a brief report stating what you did, how you did it, and the conclusion. My friend answered all my questions clearly and interestingly. He said that he liked to enjoy privacy and so he wanted separate room for sleep and study. He preferred to live in a joint family. He liked to be always with the people where he lived. He liked the locality. The locality was not overcrowded. He would prefer to use public transport. His favorite hobby was reading books. His ambition was to be a teacher. Dictation. Your teacher will speak the words listed below. Write against each word of opposite meaning. Example is given here. Repeat. Solid. Hot. Soft. That is opposite. So now let us see the antonyms, opposite of these words. Old, wet, open, blunt, forget. For old, new. For wet, dry. For open, close. Blunt, sharp. Forget, remember. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt or suggestions, please comment in the comment box. Share this video with your friends, like, comment and subscribe for more English lessons. Let us meet in the next session with more useful and interesting English lessons. Thank you so much for watching.